What is going on, guys? So previously I unboxed a aftermarket steering wheel. This is a heated steering wheel solution that I came across, and I want to just document this in this video, document the whole journey. It hasn't been the easiest installation by far, but hoping with this video it's gonna go ahead and help those who are interested in doing so. So without further ado, follow me. First and foremost, I definitely recommend, based on what I'm reading for sure, anytime you're working with airbags, disconnect the negative terminal or disconnect your battery. So I went ahead and accessed the 12 volt in the back of the Sienna, disconnected the negative terminal. So this is how you remove the airbag cover from the steering wheel. First you have to take away, on the side of the steering wheel there is a cover right here, like so. This one's actually not that easy to remove, but there's a tab right here. I was afraid of kind of like breaking the tab, but it's pretty durable. You remove it like so, usually with like a trim piece remover or like a clip or like well, these picks, but the pick might do something, like do some damage to the tab. Be very extra careful. There's one on each side, so two together, one here and one on the left side. And in total there's three circular I guess circular, whatever you call this, right? And then the airbag actually attaches to these via springs, so they secure using these clips right here. And in order to remove the airbag cover facing outwards towards you, you have to access each of these. So you have to unclip here, and you have to unclip here, and you have to unclip here. So this motion on the bottom, 6 o'clock portion, you have to push up. On the 9 position, you have to kind of push towards your right side, towards the 3 position, and the 3 position is vice versa. You have to push it towards the 9 position. So in order to get to this type of position or the location, you have to go through the side like so, like that, right? You can see from the pick right here, like right here, the pick right here, you just go under and out and reach it, and then push it like that. So this outlet right here, tab cover right here, accesses the right side of the steering wheel. In order to access this, everything else is from the left side of the steering wheel. So this one on the bottom portion is pretty easy. You just go in and then kind of use the pick and then push up. You can use this with like a flathead, a thin flathead. And then this one's a little bit more tricky. This was kind of like up, and then you have to find the location and then kind of do like that. Alright, now this is one of the most important tips going in. I'm glad I got the impact driver ready, because I don't think I would have been able to do it by hand, because I definitely don't have enough leverage. And even so, I needed a high capacity battery to just even supply enough power to get this 10mm hex loose. So it definitely gets some sort of power too.
Nice. Just make sure it's loose. Alright, so that's loose. This is out.
few tabs right along here that you have to pop out. 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like right here. Okay. So the back comes off. It's held on by this tab right here. You have to push it off. And then boom, it comes off. And I think this is the haptic motor for your vibration motor, steering. So we have to remove this. Little piece right here. And then it comes off. And this is like the multiplex computer. You have to transfer it because the new one doesn't have it. So we transfer that, but first we're gonna transfer this motor right here. Alright, now I swapped everything back in. This is the OEM one, and this is the Lexus one. And here's the difference between the multi-function controls. And again, here's the difference between the wheels. It's heavy. So hoping everything goes well. Alright. Alright, here we are. We are transferring the airbag from one airbag cover, steering wheel cover, to the other airbag cover. I used one of these flatheads right here, and I had to kind of like bend the metal prongs away from the plastic tabs, and basically we're just going to take them out and then transfer it here, and then bend it back to secure it. Alright, so we transfer the airbag from the old airbag cover all the way to the new one. This one's a little bit wider, that's why it won't fit. And this one's like that. After swapping the airbag into the new cover, I was running out of time. It went from day to night pretty quickly, especially with daylight saving. So in the next clip, you see me working until the next day. After inputting the wire for the heated steering wheel, it's time to go ahead and pop out this lower driver's panel and pop in the heated steering wheel button. Pressure on this side. Alright, so from there, we pop in the heated steering wheel button like that. Okay. Alright, so this is very interesting. Based on what I was reading, the helpful comments on Sienna chat forums, our Siennas are actually pre-wired for the heated steering wheel option. So all you need is this heated steering wheel button to replace the blank space and source out your own Toyota steering wheel wherever you could get it from. Either you could get it from salvage, either you could get it from new. Either way, you could completely skip this next step, which is sourcing the power or tapping in the power from the 12-volt socket, making it so much easier in terms of wiring. Here's how you remove this lower trim piece right next to the bridge of a Sienna. Goes in like this, that, few tabs. You just pull right out like that. There's a push pin here that I lost. Should be here somewhere, but basically you yank it out, I think. At least that's what I did. So here it goes. The pin goes through here. Right there, you pull it out. Alright, so this is how you source the power, the 12-volt. Right here, we have to access all the way until the 12-volt socket. Right there. Right there, you have to get the piggyback adapter, plug it in. Moment of truth. It's very chilly. It's currently 12 o'clock, but it's not. The battery reset, so first things first, I gotta see if my electronic tilting, telescoping. Yeah, so the power, tilt, and telescoping steering wheel works, function, I mean. Currently, let's see. The front-facing camera should work, right? Let me press it. Got it. That works. Okay. All right. So moment of truth. I'm gonna press it. That's on. We'll wait about 3 minutes, I think, and we'll test it. Alright, so I was just cleaning. My hands are freezing cold. Moment of truth. Wow, it works. It works. It's just not hot. It's not that hot. I mean, yeah, it's here. But overall, the temperature is not that hot. Yeah, it's here. It definitely works. I feel it. It's like all around the leather portion of it. But it's not that hot. Maybe it takes a while. Maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest, it's not that hot. Heated steering wheel. So I mean, it's better than nothing, I guess. And then usually the 9 to 3 works. Is that hotter than all around? But here it is. I'll do a better review of it later. But it's been a couple of minutes already, and I know for a fact that the Volvo right there is much hotter. So I mean, it looks nice, heating wise. I don't know. Okay, so that is my video. Time to get that tire pressure checked, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one because it was a ton of work, a ton of troubleshooting, a ton of work, and the seller wasn't all that helpful, to be quite honest. Just threw me a video, and that video didn't really work. Shout out to the forums, Toyota Dad, Mike, and the original user who's thought of this project. He started with JG, his handle. So, and horn works, all that, and overall, again, heated here, behind here, heated right here, heated right here as well, but not quite as heated as the Volvo. So that was what I'm used to. But this is nice. Okay, so thanks for watching.